Welcome back to Handmade Home. I have a very easy craft for you today, how to personalize shopboard card. It's my little selection of shopboard cards. I'm loving this elk or deer. It's from Banks and Lotta. Their cards are lovely. And this is a card from a selection. You normally have like 10 the same in a box. And a really nice BBC Earth Spring Watch card. I picked these up at W.H. Smith. The letter stickers are from them as well. These are from Hema. A few more WH stickers, and these are leftovers when I did the hiker hack. I bought them on Amazon. And a little bit of paper. This is some pattern paper I got out of a Flow magazine. Let's start with the stork. You know, it's really simple, you're just gonna put stickers on them. I really like using the grey and blue tones for this card. And just keep putting the stickers in random spots and trim them where they overlap the card. Time to add a bit of blue, just a few accents here and there in a random spot. Just add a few blue stickers, and with those in place, it's really lovely to add a teeny bit of pink as well. So simple, but look how lovely this card is now. Let's go and do another one. For this I'm using the really simple plain cards. I'm just gonna get some neon colored pink letters, and I'm gonna stick hello on the middle. You can space these out if you're really precise, just measure them up. I just eyeball them. So yeah, unfortunately I broke the E as you can see. But yeah, you get my drift. It's a really nice simple hack for a card. Let's do another one, and for this it's the elk's turn. I'm gonna write a name in his body, so I just need to measure how big it is. This is 4 by 2 centimeters. So on a piece of pattern paper that is 4 by 2 centimeters, you can write a word or a name. In this case, I'm gonna write the name Kiki. Then you're gonna cut the letters out and simply stick it in place. I think this card looks lovely as is, but just to make the letters pop a bit more, just follow the outline of the letters with a black pen. This is such a cute card to send to a child's birthday. And just to remind you what the cards look like before, this is what I look like now. It's such a lovely and super quick way to give a personal accent to a shopboard card. I love how easy it is to make these cards, and it's so lovely to give a shopboard card just a little bit of a personal touch. It'd be so nice to receive these in the mail. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and have a look on my website hester'shandmadehome.com for more craft ideas. I'll be back soon with a new video, hope to see you then.